Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Allister Gator from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's start drawing the snout. Let's draw a curve V-shape down and back up. And then a curve on both sides. And then let's add another small bump for the nostrils. Next, we're going to hop on top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with 2 angles up. And then a curve underneath to close off the shape of the eyes. And then inside each eye, let's add an oval. And color the rest of the eyes in black. Next, we're going to hop on top and add the eyebrows. Let's start with 2 angles in the center. And then curve it on top of each eye from the bottom. Now in the center, let's hop out and let's draw another line up. Curve it up again. And close it off at the ends. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's draw the top of the head. On top in the center, let's add a small curve. Then curve it out and bring it down, stopping next to the eyes. Now before we finish drawing the shape of the head, let's add the mouth. Let's start next to the nose and let's draw a curve going up and out. Then a small curve on top. And then one large curve to close off the shape of the mouth. Next, we're going to hop inside and add the teeth. Let's start with 2 large curved V-shapes at the top. And then zigzag line out on both sides like this. Now for the bottom, let's draw 2 smaller teeth coming up. And 2 points next to it on the sides. And then in the center, let's draw 2 curves for the tongue. And color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now we can hop back out and finish drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a curve around. And let's meet them down in the center. And then inside on the chin, let's add 2 curves like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw a curve out and curve it back in. And the same on the right side. And now let's do the same thing inside towards the top for the belly patch. Now inside, let's add the necklace. Let's start with the V shape, then 2 on the sides, and then 1 up from the bottom. Now on each of the 4 corners, let's close it off with 2 bumps. Then on top of the necklace, let's add 2 angled lines down. Now that we're done the necklace, let's add the lines across the belly patch. We'll start with a curve across near the bottom, and then another one on top, and then 2 more bringing it behind the necklace. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and let's add the arms. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve down and curve it down again. Now for the inside of the arm, let's draw another 2 curves next to the body and then curve it back in from the outside line. Now let's hop inside and let's draw another curve at the bottom and then a line inside. And now let's add 2 rectangle shapes coming down from the elbow. And that's it for the left arm. Now let's hop over and let's draw the right side. For this one, let's draw a small curve out and angle it down. And then a wavy line up and out underneath. Now let's hop down and let's add another bent line. And then a curve at the end. And then close off the end of the arm with a curve across. Now let's hop inside the arm at the elbow and again, let's draw 2 rectangles. And now for the hand at the end, let's draw a curve up at the top, and then a bent line out and back down. Now for the next finger, let's draw a curve going out, and then a finger up and back down in the same way. And then let's add another finger out and back in on the right side. Now in between the first 2 fingers, let's add another one behind. Let's draw a curve up and back down. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath the body, let's draw 2 curves down and out. And then curve it out at the bottom. Now let's add another set of curves on the outside. And connect it with a curve across. Now let's hop inside each of the legs and let's draw 2 curved rectangles. Next, let's hop down and let's add the toes. From the outside, let's angle it out and curve it in. Then another toe with another curve. And then one more, bringing it all the way back in. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's add the tail. Let's start in between the legs and let's draw a curve over to the right. And then continue it on the other side and curve it up. And then another curve on top, like this. Now let's hop inside the tail and let's add another curve down. And then add 3 V-shaped spikes on top. And that's it for Allister Gator. Now let's quickly color it in. and done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!